Hi guys, today I'll offer a few examples of how to use the past simple tense and in what contexts. So in the past simple tense, first we have to remember that we have two different kinds of verbs. We have regular verbs and irregular verbs. The regular verbs, most of the time, end with ed, and they're pronounced played, listened, cooked, watched. The irregular verbs change, whether in spelling and pronunciation or just pronunciation. For example, the past of buy is not bite. This is incorrect because buy is an irregular verb. So, the correct form of the past tense of buy is bought. This is go, went, see, saw, take, and took. So, we have regular and irregular verbs. For this, you have to memorize which verbs are regular and which verbs are irregular. There's no other way. You have to memorize them. Okay, here we have a few examples of the past simple form, affirmative and negative statements. Affirmative. I went to a circus last week. We had lasagna for lunch yesterday. We have here the subject and the verb in the past form, always in the affirmative. And we also indicate when the action happened. Cuando ocurrió la acción. Mencionamos específicamente cuando ocurre la acción. Let's go now to the negative form in statements. I didn't see Melissa last night. I didn't see Melissa last night. No, I didn't saw Melissa last night. Next example. Sarah didn't go out on Saturday night. Sarah didn't go out on Saturday night. No, Sarah didn't went. As you can see, we have the subject, the auxiliary didn't, and the verb is always in the base form. In the base form. Never in the past form. In the negative statements. Now we have here the question form. Did Michael call you yesterday? Did you get the cake this morning? We have here the structure for questions with the auxiliary did. Did is always used in question forms. We have the subject here, and the verb is always in the base form. Never is it in the past. Never. Okay, now here we have a couple of examples of questions with did. Did you go out last Friday night? Did you go out last Friday night? Yes, I did. I went to the movies. Yes, I did. I went to the movies. Did Kathy come early to class yesterday? No, she didn't. She arrived 30 minutes late. So, as you can see here in the examples, we have questions a short answer, and complements to offer extra information. Bueno, recuerden entonces que el past simple se utiliza para ofrecer ejemplos o hablar sobre hechos que acontecieron y sucedieron en el pasado. Y es por eso que debemos y mayormente especificamos cuándo se realizaron las acciones. Aquí les presento unas expresiones comunes que se usan con el past simple. Here we have a few time expressions. With last, we can say last summer, last week, last month, last year. El año pasado, el mes pasado y así sucesivamente. También pueden usar la preposición in para especificar cuándo ocurrió el evento y en qué año o en qué mes. In 2010, in March. Pueden usar también ago, siempre al final. 2 days ago, an hour ago. 2 días atrás, o hace 2 días, o hace 1 hora, an hour ago. Yesterday. Pueden usar solo yesterday o combinarlo con yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, ayer por la mañana, ayer por la noche. Recuerden entonces que podemos utilizar estos time expressions cada vez que usamos el past simple form. Thank you.